the small displacement Scrambler making a comeback? Honda thinks so, and the 2026 SL125 is their answer to riders craving simplicity, style, and pure riding fun. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're exploring Honda's retro-inspired machine that's proving bigger isn't always better. Let's find out if this lightweight Scrambler lives up to the hype. Design. The SL125 embraces its Scrambler DNA with vintage-inspired styling that feels fresh rather than dated. The high-mounted exhaust, spoked wheels, and upright riding position create that classic off-road silhouette. Honda's designers nailed the minimalist aesthetic with clean bodywork and a compact fuel tank that enhances the bike's agile appearance. The color options pay homage to the original SL series while incorporating modern finishes. Everything about this bike screams simplicity and purpose, making it visually appealing to both new riders and experienced enthusiasts seeking something different. Performance. The air-cooled 125cc single-cylinder engine prioritizes reliability and efficiency over raw power. Don't expect blistering acceleration, but the power band is smooth and predictable, perfect for urban environments and light trail riding. The 5-speed gearbox provides well-spaced ratios that keep the engine in its sweet spot. The suspension offers decent travel for tackling unpaved roads, though serious off-roading isn't its primary mission. Fuel economy is exceptional, making this an incredibly economical choice for daily transportation. Features and technology. Honda keeps things straightforward with the SL125. The instrument panel displays speed, fuel level, and trip information without unnecessary complexity. LED headlight and taillight improve visibility while maintaining the retro aesthetic. The braking system features disc brakes front and rear, providing adequate stopping power for the bike's lightweight nature. Maintenance is refreshingly simple, with accessible components that won't intimidate newer riders learning basic upkeep. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda SL125 reminds us that motorcycling doesn't need to be complicated to be enjoyable. It's an honest, approachable bike that celebrates the joy of two wheels. Could this be your next ride? Let us know in the comments what you think about this retro revival. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, share with your riding community, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more comprehensive motorcycle coverage. Until next time, keep the rubber side down.